Charlotte Lewis here from Concordia University St. Paul's Writing Center. This short video demonstration will show you how to remove hyperlinks from URLs. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Another word for that is the web address. APA does not want the web addresses to be underscored and in the blue font. Also, APA does not like gaps in the references, so those are two ways that we will improve our references. There are three methods of removing hyperlinks. I'll show you each method, and you can decide which one you like best. The first way is just to find your first entry and see, make sure that each reference entry has just one return at the end of the entry instead of at the end of each line. One way you can tell is by turning on the show and hide tool. So that's good. We only have one return at the end of each entry. Now to fill in this gap, I eyeball the space that the gap is taking up and think where in my URL would be a good place to break it so that it can be filling in that space. I'm going to put my cursor here, and APA says you can break URLs at underscores, periods, front slashes, and question marks. So I'm thinking this spot will fill in here. So I'm putting my cursor there, and I'm saying Shift and Enter. That is a soft return. You put your cursor where you want it to be broken, hold down the Shift key, and press Enter. So now that's filled in the gap. To remove the hyperlink, the first method is to put my cursor at the very end of the URL and simply press the backspace key. And that worked. So now the second way is, and here we do not need to fill in the gap, so we don't have to worry about breaking the URL. The second way is to highlight just the URL, right-click, and select Remove Hyperlink. And that worked also very nicely. The third way is to highlight the URL and remove the underlining. Sometimes you have to press it twice, and go to the font color and change it from blue to black. That's my third way. And I will show you that third way again using what I call the ghost. So here again, there's no need to break my URL to fill in a gap. So I'm highlighting the URL, and instead of going up home, I'm going to what I call the ghost, catch the ghost, and click on underlined and go to font and change it from blue to black. Those are the three ways that I know of to remove hyperlinks. I hope this demonstration has been helpful. Thank you.